All right, so I've been asked by a few people to look into the tech pack, which I've put the light in here, right? Now, I actually have all the tools out here. I kind of took this out of my lineup because this, if you close it up past that zipper, it takes you forever to get. You need a pair of pliers to get the zipper off. But so, as you can see, I just have, it's got like an adhesive back to it here, right? It stays pretty good, but I ended up doing like adding some super glue, like Gorilla stuff, like one here, say like 4 or 5 just spread out across the bag. And this is, I didn't have to trim this one. It's like a shoreline marine brand or something. And this is the little battery pack it comes with. And I just, like you could see, I keep it tucked in here because I don't use those pockets for anything. They're kind of nice and deep for it. But so there's the lighting, right? I don't know if I can tip it back. I don't know if I turn my bench light off. It does light up the bag really well. And this is like a 1.5 years old or so, maybe. I think it's a great addition to the tool bag. And actually, you know, if you have like a Tech MCT or an MC, or, you know, there's quite a few bags you could do this to in the Veto lineup. And here in Canada, we got Princess Auto, which is maybe, you know, kind of really super cheap tool store. I think I paid like $20 or less than $20 for this little chunk of LED. It's a great addition to any of the tool bags that Veto does. But hope that helps. I'll put a little picture of the product that I bought, the packaging and stuff, and hope that helps you guys. Thanks for watching.